Mind you, this topic I've treated this topic extensively in the lecture, so you can check through our channel. You see a topic SS1 friction, first term topic friction. So let's go. Step 2, laws of friction. So what are the laws of solid friction? We have the first one, which is what? Friction opposes relative motion between two bodies. So if you go to the lecture, you see I explain extensively about it. Number 2 is what? Friction depends on the nature of the surfaces in contact. Now they say we should stay 2, but I will give you more than 2 so that you can pick any 2 of your choice. Friction is independent of the area in contact. Friction is proportional towards normal reaction. And the last one is what? Friction is independent of the speed between the bodies. So let's go to the advantages. What is the advantages? Friction between our feet and the ground helps us to walk. So without frictional forces, it will be very difficult for us to move. Number 2, friction enables screws or nails to remain in their position. So by the time you use hammer to drive in a nail, or use screwdriver to drive in a screw, what makes them to remain in that position is what? Frictional forces between the nail or the screw with the wood or anything you are using to bring together. Now friction between grinding stone, you are trying to grind pepper, you are trying to grind tomato, so grinding of all those your cutting instruments, like you are trying to sharpen a knife, blunt knife, it is friction that will help us to achieve it. So friction also help the tires, car tires and the road. It is the friction between the car tires and the road that help to stop motion when a moving car when brake is applied. So friction is applied. Friction helps us to generate what? Static electric charges, like between the foot of the ladder and the floor is what prevent the ladder from slipping. So these are the various and many more examples of the advantages of what? Solid friction. So just like the question says, state 2, so any 2 of them will give you your mark. So how can we reduce solid friction? The first method is by lubrication. So lubrication means applying lubricants like engine oil, like grease, like air. So those will help us to reduce what? Friction. Number 2 is by streamlining, meaning shaping the body to a streamlined shape. Now number 3 is using rollers and ball bearings. So they help us to reduce friction. Number 4 is by using belts and chain drive. Number 5 is by smoothing and polishing. So these are the ways by which we can reduce solid friction.